Hi guys, welcome to HCCT. I'm Hamid, and today we are going to discuss about how to use layout in RouteGroups in Nextjs. So buckle up and let's dive in. Welcome back. In previous video, we talked about using RouteGroups to organize your project without affecting the URL. Today, let's explore another valuable use of RouteGroups, selectively applying a layout to certain segments while leaving other unchanged. For instance, within the outs folder, we'll create a new folder called with layout. We'll move the login and register folders into this new folder and create a new layout file named layout.tsx. This layout component accepts children props and renders them with additional heading on each one. Now we'll make without layout a root group by adding parentheses. In the browser, when navigate to login, you will see layout from the without layout folder. The in-here layouts h1 and login page replace the children props. Similarly, for register, the layout is applied, but for forget password, there is not layouts. RouteGroups allows us to apply layouts to a specific segment without changing the URL. This is handy for large projects with multiple layouts and route segments, ensuring an organized project structure. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next one.